What's up, everybody? Welcome to King Ice Instructional. I'm Yanira, and today we're talking about King Ice Stash Collections. That real go-go gadget hideout spot. That real deal secret agent type stuff. For real. King Ice has a variety of stash jewelry in its collection. Stash jewelry is in any ring, pendant, or charm that opens up so you can stash your stash. I don't know what you would stash allegedly. However, whatever it is you're stashing, do so knowing how to open and close each item. Pendants open with a careful and quick click. Notice the hinge which allows for each swing to open and close. Make sure to close the pendant all the way so the pendant is secure, so your stash, allegedly, does not become unstashed. Some pendants have a swing away that closes and fastens like a strap. Get the strap! The rings open from under the center stone at the prong or stone girdle. Your stash fits secure in the ring cradle, allegedly for quick use, and snaps together and closes as such. For more information, just click the link below. This has been the King Ice Instructional for Stash Collections. I'm Yanira. For all your icy needs, just go to kingice.com. You're welcome. You're all welcome.